An application for a patent may be made by the inventor, his legal representatives, or his assignee, either alone or jointly with any other person. An application for a patent of addition may be made only by the applicant for original patent, to which it is an addition. Every application for a patent shall be for one invention only, and shall be made in the prescribed form, and filed in the Patent Office, Head Office at Calcutta, and branch offices at Madras, Bombay, and Delhi.
Every application must state that the applicant is in possession of the invention, and must have the owner claiming to be true and first inventor, and where the person so claiming is not the applicant, the application believes the person so named to be true and first inventor. A provisional specification is a document in a prescribed form, containing a description of the essential features of the invention.
A complete specification is a document drawn in a prescribed form and contains the following: a full description of the invention and its operation or use and the method of performance. Disclosure of the best method of performing the invention known to the applicant, for which he is entitled to claim. A statement of claims, defining the scope of invention, for which protection is sought. Where an application is accompanied by only a provisional specification, a complete specification must be filed within 12 months from the date of filing of the application.
On receiving the application for a patent along with complete specification, the controller shall refer it to an examiner for making a report to him in respect of whether the application and specifications are in accordance with the requirements of the Act, whether there is any lawful ground of objection to the grant of patent under the Act in pursuance of application.
Examiner's report should be obtained within 18 months. If the report is adverse to the applicant, or requires any amendment, the controller shall communicate the list of the objections to the applicant, and give him an opportunity of being heard. The controller is also empowered to refuse, or require amend application in certain cases. On the acceptance of a complete specification, the controller shall notify the applicant and advertise in the official gazette the fact that the specification has been accepted, and then the specifications shall be open to public inspection. Any person may oppose the grant of patent within a period of 4 months from the date of advertisement of acceptance on any of the following grounds: that the invention or part thereof has been obtained by the applicant wrongfully, that the invention in question is obvious and clearly does not involve any inventive step, that the subject of any claim of the complete specification is not an invention within the meaning of this Act, or is not patentable under this Act, that the complete specification does not sufficiently and clearly describe the invention or the method by which it is performed. On receiving any such notice of opposition, the controller shall notify the applicant and give him and the opponent an opportunity to be heard before deciding the case. The controller is empowered to refuse or grant the patent. Once the patent is granted, the controller shall cause it to be sealed with the seal of the Patent Office, and the date of sealing shall be entered in the register. Title: Oral Formulations of Cladribine. Invention relates to a composition comprising a complex cladribine cyclodextrin complex formulated into a solid oral dosage form, and to a method for enhancing the oral bioavailability of cladribine. Date of application: the 6th of October 2005. Date sanction: the 29th of June 2012. Cladribine, immunosuppressive agent. An acid labile drug. Very low oral bioavailability, 20 to 25%.